Hello everybody, this is Norgo from Setec. We are here for another tutorial, and today we will learn how to remove imperfections such as acne and lesions from an image by using healing brush tool. So let me show you how to. Okay, first of all we need to select our move tool, which is this one, as you can see. Then we should zoom in by using Alt and Control. Scroll in and out to zoom in and zoom out. And now I need to zoom in, so I need to press Alt and zoom, scroll in. Okay, and as you can see, it's zoom in. So. And now I need to select my healing brush tool, which is this one, and then I should get a sample from our image to remove imperfections that are here. So by pressing Alt again, I'm gonna make that area as a sample, as my sample, which is this one. And remember, you should click to confirm that you want this area to be your sample. So, and then when you click, then you should go ahead and click gently, and so it would remove those imperfections. Again, I'll zoom in to have a better vision, and then again I get a sample. As you can see, it removes perfectly. Okay, again we need a couple of more. Okay, and remember, you can adjust your size of your brush by using square brackets in your keyboards. The left square bracket is to make it smaller, and the right one is for making it bigger. And in this time, I need it to be a little bit smaller. Yeah, this much is good. Again, I take a sample and remove this area. Again, sample and remove. Again, until we get this result. Okay, as you can see, it works perfectly, but it needs a little bit of time. That's okay. Okay, and then a little bit more. There are a couple of them here, so I'm gonna remove them all too. Okay, as you can see, it works perfectly. Here and here too. Okay. Okay, I think we are pretty done, but let's make it a little bit better. Yeah. And now I zoom out by again by pressing Alt and scroll out to zoom out. Yeah, as you can see, it worked perfectly, and we don't have any imperfections in our image. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something from this video.